Welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back in this thing with another video, y'all. So today's video is going to be on this look. It's giving you very much business vibes, but I don't know, I just love creating looks for you all. But I did not like the way I was going with the eyeshadow. I did like the way I was going with it, but it's just like certain things you do, you just don't switch up sometimes. But I did switch it up, and honestly, it came out cute, but I don't know. When you know your techniques and you know what you do, it just seems weird. Have you felt like that? Have you ever felt like that? I have, and I just felt like when I was doing the eyeshadow process, the way I was doing it, it just felt weird. But it all came out beautiful. But I'm not gonna keep y'all long for this tutorial because I want y'all to jump right into it. So if y'all want to keep watching this tutorial, stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I did my brows off camera. This thing is annoying. Taking number 3 base, and I'm also taking the concealer base, the double base from Helen E. So the first shade that I'm gonna go in with, we are all based. We're taking Cocoa out of the palette, and I am going to be putting this on as my first transition. So we're gonna go this way. We're not gonna go around this time. I'm gonna take my crayon case brush. I'm gonna take my crayon case brush. Went in with this color right here called Ginger. Going back in with that brush, and I'm just going to add color to both lids, which is Cocoa. Going back in with the first color, and I'm just adding it to like kind of deepen it. This Makeup Addiction, I'm taking this Makeup Addiction palette, and I'm going in with this dark brown. I think this one is called Savannah Desert. And then I'm going to tap the I'm going to put the lid shade on first. Shade right here is just calling my name.
Tell me what you want to do.
I'm just going with the flow.
I'm gonna start getting myself ready too.
Okay. I'll go into Macao and Caledonia. I'm going to say my Nars foundations. I haven't used these in a long time, and y'all know I love me some Nars foundation. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Tarte Tape Shape, and I'm gonna go in with 10 Sand and 10 Deep Sand. I want my contour dark, but I want to be chiseled, so I'm gonna go in with Brownie. So we're gonna add Honey from Mercier. I've been loving this powder, so we two. And then right here, baby, is how you get your nose snatched, okay? Baby, who? Razin Blush. I haven't popped out this in a little minute. Alright, so this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero palette, and I'm going to go ahead and grab this pretty color right here. I have on. I'm going to start off with the accessories first. My hand, I have a ring. Excuse my booty tickle nails. Okay, nobody's looking at those. I hope not. I have a ring on. I think I got this from Akira, and I also got this bracelet from Akira as well, along with this cute bag, y'all, that cost me an arm and a motherfucking leg. Okay, this bag is from Akira too. If y'all not familiar with Akira, Akira is a Chicago store. I think they have other stores, but let me not technically say Chicago store, because I'm pretty sure they have a lot more Akiras than just in Chicago. But they definitely have a website and they do ship. But yeah, I got this bag. It's so cute. It goes perfect with this little business outfit, as you may say, or as you can call it. I love the pearl details and the diamonds inside the pearl with the gold detailing, and it's like bronze and gold at the same time, because this is actually like a bronzy, and then this is like gold, so it like matches. I don't know, I'm just of that right now. I was gonna do black with this outfit, like a black purse, black heels. Like, you could dress this outfit in so many ways, it's crazy. Okay, so this is, we're gonna move on to the earrings. I got these earrings from Akira as well, y'all. I love Akira. Okay, it's my store. They have everything, and everything when you come out of there, it's affordable. It's not I mean, it's high, but it's not. It's like a mini name brand, but an affordable one. I got the sleek ponytail going on. Y'all already know who was on the ponytail. My mama did the ponytail, y'all. Yes, this gives me Sunday vibes, girl. Sunday vibes. After here we have this jumpsuit, and it's from Pretty Little Things. I want to show y'all right now. It's kind of floods. It's like, you know those jumpsuits like where it's not technically down to the foot, it's like up but a little tight, but not too much tight. Not, it's like loose but tight loose. I don't know how to explain that exactly. Just wishing that y'all could see it. Let me actually go down. Y'all can see right here. I'm trying to stand on my TV so y'all can see, as the pants are like, they're tight but not tight. They're like loosely tight, but like a skinny. These are actually really cute. But yeah, this is the jumpsuit. I'm loving it. Don't excuse this, okay? Excuse this. I was gonna pair my birthday shoes with them. I don't want to show y'all the front because my feet up in these is dirty because I was walking on the floor. But these are how they look. Honestly, if you wanted to spice this outfit up, you could put some sunglasses. Hold on, which I got. Sunglasses are from Fashion Nova, and these are so cute. Gotta clean these. These are how these look. I love them. It's giving me, oh, it's giving me vibes, y'all. I don't, oh. It's giving me rich auntie vibes. You can actually put this up or down. It's totally up to you, but this is my style. I am not a, I don't know, I kind of know how to dress, but not like that. I be saying, girl, style, baby, style down. So I'm just giving y'all what I know and what I like to do. I actually really like to match, but sometimes I'm trying to get out the comfort zone to not be so matchy. Like, it's other ways that you can pair this. Like, I can pair this with blue. I'm thinking like now, like blue jeans, snake skin. You can pair this with like this gold and diamond. You can pair this with black. You can pair this with peach. It's just so many things you can pair this with, and so many different styles you can do this with. But yeah, y'all, I love Pretty Little Thing materials. I hope that y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next video. Period. Only right.